guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I draw my eyeliner. Many of you have requested a very short but informative video on how I do it, so I'm gonna show you all of that. It's gonna be very simple, maybe too simple for some of you, but I know many have messaged me asking me to do a video, so here you go. If you want to know how I draw my winged eyeliner, keep on watching. For today's video, I'll be using the Woojoh eyeliner, which is a pen liner, super easy to work with, and it's a very good black color, exactly what I want. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my finger and lift a little bit of my eye, just a tiny bit. And I always like to start on the outer corner of my eye. So that's the easiest part. I put the line on the outer corner and I'm deciding how long I want it to be, but for now I'm gonna leave it as it is, but this is my guide to the rest of the line. And what I always like to do is just put the pencil halfway the line that I just draw and then pull it towards the eye. Like this. And then pull it towards the eye. You can always correct yourself, don't stress out, even if it doesn't look good in the first try. Don't remove it, give yourself a chance so you can correct things. As you can see, I'm fixing the line. Okay. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. And then I'm gonna continue halfway the eyelid. For me personally, I don't like to draw my entire eyelid. I think it will make my eyes smaller, so I like to stop halfway the eye and then leave it as it is. As you can see, I'm still like looking at it and correcting if necessary. Okay, and when you're completely satisfied, just check again, close your eyes, like tilt your head up so you can see it when you look like this, and then when you look down you can immediately see how the line goes, and I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna add mascara to finish this look off. And I'm gonna use the mini version of the NARS Climax mascara. I love the brush, I tested out and it gives an amazing volume. And this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty even, which is also very challenging at times. It took me quite some time to figure out how I draw an eyeliner. I promise you it's not easy, and especially figuring out which eyeliner I like the most, whether it's a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner. There are plenty of choices out there, so it's all about experimenting and playing around with the product to see which one works the best for you. So don't give up, keep on trying. It's all about practicing, and I'm pretty sure you'll succeed at drawing the perfect eyeliner for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from today's tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!